Hello my people, welcome and welcome back. It's your girl Milka Mtoga again. Join me as I cook my dinner. I'll keep everything simple. I'm going to cook a simple dinner. So these are my chopped onions. I'm going to cook them until they're brown, the golden brown. I recently bought this vegetable blender and let me tell you, it works like magic. For my case, I found it to be so good at blending veggies such as you can blend onions, you can blend tomatoes, you can blend any veggies that you want, any veggies of your choice. Yeah, and it works like magic. Also the garlic, ginger, I use this blender to blend and it works so good. My onions are ready, so I'll add the blended tomato and wait to cook. At this point, the tomato is giving. You can choose to add any spice of your choice, but for me, I choose to use salt to taste. Lastly, my already cooked beans, already boiled, so yeah. Thank you guys for watching my video till the end. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you in the next video.